Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name's Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. And I have the privilege of showing you this brand new 2022 Cruisers Yachts 38 GLS. Got the black whole side color. Huge swim platform here on the transom. Of course, this area here, hydraulic swim platform, that's going to drop down into the water. Great place to hang out. You don't want to be in the water. Starboard side gunnel does fold down. Great wraparound seating here and here, so everybody can hang out. Refrigerator, grill, sink, some storage. Got an ice maker down there. Dual SIMRAD screens. And can't forget about our Axios joystick. Boat does have 50 hours on her and does come with full manufacturer warranty. Again, this was a demo. Great bar stools here, great place to have a drink. Huge seating here in the bow, my favorite place to ride. And let's not forget about our cabin. Full-size bed. Can't forget about our microwave, another refrigerator, an additional TV, and full-size day head. If you have any questions on this boat, feel free to give us a call. My name's Jansen. Our number is 573-365-5382. Thank you and have a great day.